this is Preeti. We are here with the another question of exercise 8.2, page number 150, question number 1. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are the midpoints of the side AB, BC, CD and DA. They are the PQRS, they are the midpoints of the given sides. AC is a diagonal. This is the diagonal AC. Show that. We have to show these three things. So start with the first one, what we have given in the question. So first we are going to write here, given, what is given? That P, Q, R and S are midpoints. This one is given in the question, that we have these midpoints and AB, BC, CD and AD are sides and AC is diagonal. This one is given in the question. So start with the first one. In the first one we have to prove that SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. So first one we are going to take the triangle DAC. So this is the triangle DAC, this one. In this one we are going to write here S is the midpoint. So S is the midpoint of DA. If S is the midpoint of DA and R is the midpoint, this is the R, this is the midpoint of DC. Now they are the midpoints of the given line segments. Then SR, this SR is parallel to AC. SR is parallel to AC and SR. This SR is half of AC by the midpoint theorem. I am going to write here by midpoint theorem. In the introduction I have told you about the midpoint theorem. In the midpoint theorem, suppose this is the triangle and they are the midpoints, and if we join them then they are parallel to the each other. Now if it is given that they are parallel, that means they are the midpoints of the line segment. So SR is half of AC. This one is according to the midpoint theorem. So we are going to write here that SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC. This one is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2 we have to prove that PQ is equal to the SR. This is the PQ, this one is equal to the SR. Now this P is the midpoint of AB and this Q is the midpoint of CB. We are having this information in the question. So we are going to write here, we are going to take the triangle BAC. Now in the triangle BAC, this is the triangle BAC. In this one, P is the midpoint of AB. We are going to write here P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of BC. This one information we are having. So we are going to write here PQ is parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half of AC by midpoint theorem. So this is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3, PQRS is a parallelogram. This one we have to show. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3, it is given that PQ is parallel to AC. We have proved in the part 2nd that PQ is parallel to AC. C. This PQ is parallel to this AC, and SR is parallel to AC. This one, SR is parallel to AC. Now they both are parallel to AC, then PQ is parallel to SR. Now if PQ is parallel to SR, then two line parallels to the same line are parallel to the each other. So we are going to write here. Also, if these two lines are parallel, then PQ is equal to the SR. Why? Because the two lines parallel to the same line are parallel to the each other. Now, if this PQ is parallel to the SR, this one, then we are going to write here PQRS is a parallelogram, because in the parallelogram opposite sides are parallel and equal. So these are the opposite sides, they are parallel also and the equal also. So with this one we have completed the question number 1. In the next video we are going to start with the question number 2.